Today I'm installing the Rad Rubber Design splash guards on my 2004 Toyota 4RUNNER. It's a great product. They give you great detailed directions, and so far it's very easy. I've got the front one on, but I do need to finish pushing the little buttons down. As you can see, there's about 4 of those with a 5/16, and then the last one is a different type, and it goes over here onto the strut suspension mount. So I'll show you the final product when I'm done. So I've got to get this one out down here. All these little pegs are gonna have to come out before I install the new ones.